In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a custom callout. Whether you're looking to highlight important information, draw attention to specific details, or simply add a touch of personalization, creating a custom callout can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your content. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to open the page where you wish to add your callout. This could be a document, a presentation slide, or any platform that supports text input and customizable elements. The first step in our process involves typing in a special shortcut. Simply type callout directly into the text area of your page. This is a quick command that initiates the callout feature, making it incredibly easy and swift, saving you time from going through menus. Once you've typed or callout, a callout box will automatically appear on your page. You'll notice right away that it stands out from the rest of your text, as it is designed to attract the viewer's eye. Now, to truly make this callout your own, and ensure it aligns with the purpose you have in mind, you'll want to customize it. For this, move your cursor to the callout box and click on it. After clicking on the callout, you'll see a small icon that allows you to further personalize it. This could be an icon resembling a pencil, a settings gear, or something similar, depending on your platform. Go ahead and click on this icon. This step is crucial as it opens up numerous options for customization. Here, you might find options to change things like the font style, size, or even add additional details to your callout. One of the most impactful ways to personalize your callout is by modifying its color. Color can convey a particular mood or level of importance, so choosing the right one is key. To begin customizing the color, look for a small group of 6 dots that are typically located on the left side of the callout. When you see them, click on them to access the color options. Each platform may offer a different suite of colors, so take a moment to explore the possibilities. Selecting a vibrant color can make your callout stand out prominently, while a more subdued hue might blend in better with the rest of your content. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have learned how to quickly create and personalize a callout, tailoring it to suit your specific needs. Whether you choose to use these skills